Hi there. Have you ever felt confused while shopping in English? Don't worry. Today, I'll teach you 10 super useful English sentences that you can use confidently at a grocery store. Let's make your shopping experience smoother. In English.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk? How much does this cost? Is there any discount on this item? Can I pay by card or cash? I would like 1 kilo of apples, please. Do you have fresh bread today? I'm just looking, thank you. Please pack these items separately. Can I get a carry bag, please? Thank you. Have a nice day. If you found these sentences helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more useful English sentences every day.